ideas for what we could do next?
Nope, not a thing.
Maybe review all that we've learned in a particular musical way?
I don't know what you're talking about, pal.
Oh, I was thinking we could review all we learned in a song.
Oh, yeah!
Fire safety, fire safety.
Show the world what smarts you got.
Fire safety, fire safety. Telling you the topic is hot, hot, hot. Fire safety, fire safety.
Let's review the things we know.
Fire safety, fire safety. On your mark, ready, get set, let's go.
When you make that combination of oxygen, heat, and fuel,
Use your safety smart, my friend, and follow each and every rule. That's go. Fire safety, fire safety.
let's review the things we've learned.
Fire safety, fire safety. Know your fire safety and you won't get burned.
A fire needs a spark to start a flame.
You never play with matches there. On the game.
Got a fire extinguisher?
Yes, sirree.
How about a smoke alarm?
1, 2, or 3.
Smoke goes up a room, a plan will show the way out.
Then get down, get out, and stay out.
When you save outside,
Call 911. One more chorus and then we're done. Fire safety, fire safety.
oh, what safety smarts we got.
Fire safety, fire safety. Telling you the topic is hot, hot, hot.
Yow!
Fire safety, fire safety. Look how safety smart we turn. Fire safety, fire safety. Know your fire safety and you won't get burned.